All right. So I got this area cleaned up pretty good. I gotta move the roofing and move this wood here, and then I can finish this up and kind of blend the edge in. I'm just gonna go back and work this spot and try to kind of level all this out really good and see how far I get. Okay, so I got this smoothed out enough. I gotta wait for Drew to get the rest of this, and I can grab this little section here and I'll pile it up there, and he's gonna take it and dump it into the pit down there. I'm gonna pull these rocks out right here, and then I gotta pull this tent out. A crazy windstorm about a year ago, and I lost my tent in the bush here. Couldn't get it out, it was too overgrown, and well, now I can. So we'll try and save it. I'm hoping the top is not bent enough to be trash, but we'll see. We'll take a look at it and try and pull it out. getting there. Pull out a few more rocks. Judah's almost done with this pile here. I got this tent that's pretty much destroyed. Gotta get rid of that. And then I'm gonna just go up and grab this little section here. There's one stump in there I gotta pull out, and I'm gonna pile it up in this pile. And I'll be getting close. Let's see, there's a bunch of weeds under here. Not good. There's a bunch of seeds. It's gonna spread. But it is what it is with this. All right, let's get this out of the way. Got those tires kind of in the way. Kind of work around them. Yeah, let's see. I gotta clean up this corner here. Looking good though. I mean, I got all this pretty much done. I mean, the box grader that we made will take care of a lot of this. Let's see here. All right, so got most of the grub out of here. Got a little bit left. I mean, there's some weeds along the driveway. I'm not gonna get any closer with the excavator. There's a little bit of roots in here. I gotta get back in, so I'm gonna kind of blend this. I'm gonna wait until he's almost done with that and blend this. And then I can get in here and clean this corner up a little bit more, and I'll be done for today. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, there's a lot of material in here I can work with to kind of even it out. So I just want to, it's going to blend off the driveway. And you don't want to drop it off, right next to the driveway. It's going to blend off, kind of shallow slope. And I want to put some gravel on the side just so, if someone's coming up or down and there's someone else coming, you can pull to the side. So I want at least maybe 6 to 8 feet maybe just 6 feet on both sides, and you know, you could pass someone. That'd be nice, just to have a little bit of room. Move some of these rocks here again, right to the corner here by the tree into this pit, and then I'll start smoothing it out. This tent's got to get moved too. Just want to be able to move around in this area, and then I'll work my way from the top kind of down, and then I'll come to the side here, and I'm gonna have to get out over there, so I'm not gonna really work this too much because I got to get out across the driveway, but I got to clean this up too, so that's gonna be, and I got to grab my hammer actually. I got to remember that. All right, let me get these rocks moved. Alright, well, it's getting late in the day, but probably got another half hour, 45 minutes. I'm just going to come up here and try to smooth this out a little bit better. This needs to be moved, so I can't really work on this area right here. I'll get up here and finish this corner at least. Work my way back. It's just kind of a funky spot, but I can probably get up in this section right here. It's real soft in here, so can't get a good footing. Got this pretty good. I mean, that's good enough for now because I got to get out of here, and I'm leaving right in this spot here, and so I'm gonna tear this up as I come out, so I'll smooth it out as I'm getting out of here. That's good enough. We're gonna box grade it and pick the rocks and pull the weeds out, and it'll be nice and smooth. So I got the shape pretty good. I mean, I'll blend some of this dirt here, and I'll push it to this low spot in here and try to just blend this a little bit more. This kind of drops into a pit right here, so I'm going to try and fill this up a little bit. It's pretty good. I got to get this tent out of the way. I'm going to try and just blend this here. I don't think I'm going to go down again into this spot, so I'll blend this, and then we're going to get the tent out of the way, and then I'll come back down here and clean this up and then work my way out, and then just clean it up as I get out of here. So for now, work this, and then this hammer's got to get out of the way too. Alright, so I'm done for today. Yeah, we can finish up tomorrow morning. The plan is I'm just going to come down here, grab the hammer, throw it on the forks, and he's going to bring it down to the bottom and leave it down there so the flatbed truck can pick it up when I get my machine out of here. I got to take that with me to the job I'm going to. And then on my way back up, I'll smooth this out, smooth out that as I exit out of here. And that'll be done for this section, and then we'll start box grading it, picking the rocks out of here, putting some grass seed down, raking that in, irrigation set up, and it'll be good to go. All right, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.